Bonjour, Kinamagin Ireland edition of Cuss, and welcome to this reading of the Math Chapter 10, Check My Progress, number 2. The purpose of this video is to provide directions for students who are taking it in class and need to hear the directions again, and to provide a read aloud of the assessment for students who desire to have the test read aloud. I will go through the directions first, and then I will go through the reading of the assessment. When taking these quizzes online or in person with the paper, the first thing you need to do is put your name on it. And please use your real name so I know who you are. You'll see here that the directions on this document multiply, write in simplest form. So for all of these problems here, you're just multiplying and writing in simplest form. It's the only set of directions that exist on this document. If you're doing the paper copy at the end, you turn it into the black bin. If you're doing the Google form here, make sure you hit submit at the end. Those of you who are going to do it on paper and don't need it read to you, you may depart now. Those of you that are using this as a read aloud, both for students using paper copy and the Google Forms, let's review how this works. I will read each question, and I will go 10 seconds between questions, give or take a second. I don't really run a timer. But what you'll need to do is in between each question, you'll have to pause your video and then answer the question and then unpause the video to move forward. You will need this document opened up first. So if you don't have your Check My Progress open, you need to do that. That means you probably have to log out of this video real quick. But you want to always have it open. Then you can go back and forth between tabs. So let us begin. And I'll give you a few reminders about pausing the video early and then a couple throughout. First question, what is your name? Please put your real name. All right, again, the directions multiply, write in simplest form. So if your answer is 3/6, you'd need to write it as 1/2. And you do that by finding the least common multiple of your numerator or greatest common factor of your numerator and denominator and divide by that. All right, number 1. 1/4 times 1/9. Don't forget to pause the video as you do this. Question 2. 1/6 times 5/8. Don't forget to pause the video and then return when you're ready. Next question. 3/12 times 1/2. Next question. 1/6 times 2/5. Next question. 3/9 times 1/7. Don't forget to pause the video as you solve it and return when you're ready. Next question. 1/2 times 2 1/4. Next one. 2/13 times 26 and 2/5. Next question. 2/5 times 17 and 3/4. Next question. 18 and 3/8 times 1 1/4. 18 and 3/8 times 1/4. Next question. 1/12 times 18 and 4/9. Don't forget to pause the video as you solve it and unpause it when you're ready. Next question. 4 and 3/8 times 2 and 1/9. And the final question, don't forget to hit submit afterwards. 6 and 2/3 times 2 and 5/12. If you came back, don't forget to hit submit. If you're in the physical classroom, don't forget to put it in the bin. Have a minute, Gijigat. Minwa, Bama P.